Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Rita here with your Tech Tuesday tip. Today is Tuesday, April 3rd, 2018, and we are starting our April series of online graphic design that, yes, even you can do. So I know that some people hear the term graphic design and they think, oh, that's not for me, but really these sites that I'm going to show you are very, very fun and easy to use. Anybody can do them, and I really hope that you will give it a shot, because I think you'll have a lot of fun with it and you can create some amazing things. So let's get started. Today I'm introducing to you a site called Canva.com, introducing to some of you. Some of you have already gotten bit by the Canva bug, and it can get you. It can be very addicting, and you'll find yourself in here for quite a while creating things. So Canva is Canva.com, Canva.com. It's a free online graphic design software. Now, they do have a paid version, but everything that I'm going to show you today, I've created with the free version. I have the free version. I have not upgraded to the paid version, so you will be able to do all of these things as well. This week, I'm going to do an intro and show you where everything is and just kind of what it does. And then next week, we're going to focus on actually creating some social media posts and how you can use those things. So let's go ahead and jump in. So again, I told you it's Canva.com, Canva.com. And this, once you log in, create your account, this is similar to what you'll see. At the top in the red bar is the Create a Design bar. And these are some of the more common designs that I'm not sure if it's common designs that I use, because these are things that I use, or if they're just common designs that everybody uses, but there's a few of them up here. You can always click on the plus sign to see more. We're going to look at that in just a minute. And on the left-hand side, you have your menu over here where you can create folders. We're going to go through some of these things in just a minute. And then down here in the bottom in the gray are all of your designs that you have created, which is a really great thing about Canva. I can create something and then I can go back in at another time and recreate it, edit it for later. So say this one's 2018 Facebook algorithm change. If they change it in 2019, I could go and just update that if I need to. I could click on it, open it, and change it, or I can come in here and make a copy and change it. So if I knew that I was going to be doing another Fishing for Your Referrals bonus, click here, make a copy. And that way I can change that one without changing my original. My original stays the way that it is. So as I scroll down, you guys can see these are things that I have created that you've seen. This was our holiday party invitation, and I've created everything that I've done since I've been with Remax Premier in Canva. Karen's business card, Holly's ads, Holly's business card. We've done her Women in Business ad that went out. We've done tons of different things. Obviously, I do personal stuff. I love it, love it, love it. So let's jump into more, because I want to show you all of the options. When they have these options here in Create a Design, they are giving you social media posts, documents, if you're looking for blogging or marketing materials. Basically what these are size and designs that fit the needs that you're looking for. If you're looking to create a menu, it would be 8.5 by 11 are the size that these are going to be, and they're going to be set up like menus. A poster, a Facebook event cover, a Twitch banner. I mean, they stay very up on the new social media, and Twitch is something that is new. I don't think anybody here is using it, but maybe you are and you need a Twitch banner. The invitations, 5 by 7. So if you click on this design, it opens a new window, and the design will be in there, all set up with the exact 5 by 7 dimensions, and it gives you a ton of different, or the layout, the size will be in here, but it gives you a ton of different designs to scroll through, and you just quickly click on them and say, no, I don't really like that. I don't really like that. You can keep going. Oh, I am looking for a bowling thing, and you can go from there. Now, because we clicked on invitation, all of these are set up as invitation formats. So they look like invitations, but that doesn't mean that it has to be an invitation. If you just wanted to create a cute card about you're the milk to my cookies, maybe a Valentine's card, you could come in and edit any of these words to say whatever you want. You can delete things. You can say, I wanted all of this to go away. I can take all of that away and just keep this image here that I started with. So just know I can always hit undo as well and go back to what I did in case you make a mistake. That I'm going back to this all designs. These are set for you to make things easy, but you are not limited to what those are. You can change it, make it what you need it to be. So the other thing I want to show you is up here at the top on the right hand side, it says use custom dimensions. This allows you to come in and by pixel, millimeter, or inches, determine the width and the height of what you're creating. If you are going to be running an ad and they give you specific inches or pixels that they need it to be, you can come in and put in what that is. Say I need it to be 3.5 by 5.4, and I can click design, and it will, this is a newer feature in Canva, and it will allow you to create the exact size that you are wanting to create. So this is what I clicked in there. Now, you'll notice at the top, now that we're in here, it didn't come up with all the pictures like we had before, because those were things that were already designed for those specific sizes. But what it gives us are these photo grids. And basically what these are, if I clicked on this one, I would just drag and drop 3 photos in there and it would snap them to the perfect size. Or if I liked this one, it would snap them to the 3 tall images. So you have these that it's giving you to kind of help you get started with your design, whatever it is. Okay, so we're back here to create a design. I want to go over this menu. Again, I can click on all my designs. And well, let me get out of here. So here we are with these are all my designs that are here. These are designs that have been shared with me. So these are designs that other people have created and shared with me. And I can do the same thing with them. We will go over that in a moment. You can create team members in the free group. So if any of you are on here and really wanting to use it, I suggest adding me as a team member to your team. And then that way you can share things with me easily and I can check over them. Or maybe you're saying, I'm really having a hard time getting this to turn the way I want it to or whatever. And you can add team members that way. On your brand, I would suggest that you come in on your brand and you add, it allows you in the free version to add 3 colors, and that these are the exact colors of the Remax brand. This is the exact Remax red, the exact Remax blue, and I did that because I have the color codes here in my office. If you want them, just let me know. And then this is the exact, it's an approved Remax secondary color. And so these I use a lot, so I just went ahead and put those in there. And I'll show you where those go. In some of the upgraded versions, or paid versions of Canva, you can upload your logos that you use. You can upgrade certain fonts that you use all the time. So just know that if you decide that you really like this, then you also can get more brand colors. So keep that in mind. And then find templates is another area that I wanted to show you. We can start with create a design like we did in the beginning, but I really a lot of times like to come into find templates because I can search, maybe I don't know the exact size that I want, but I know that I want to create a design about what's coming up. We've got the Spasmatics. So it's an 80s concert. So maybe I need to do 80. I just type in the 80s and look at all these retro 80s designs with the cassette tapes and things. And so this can kind of give me a jumping off spot for my designs. And I can jump off from there as to what I want. And a lot of times if you say I want to click on this one, and this is a poster size, so it's going to be big. It will give me, things similar to that down here. I can click use this template. My recording is going to stop in just a minute, so this will be part 1, and then I will finish this in part 2. It only my free screen recorder only gives me so long, so hold tight, and I will come back in just a few minutes.